Hi, I'm Ryan Strittmather, the founder, president, and CEO of Grayscale Capital. Thank you so much for taking a moment out of your busy day to visit our website and learn a little bit more about us. I truly appreciate it. I know that when it comes to selling your home, the process can feel overwhelming. And my goal today is to let you know that we're here to make it simple and stress-free. I've been in the real estate space for nearly a decade, and I started Grayscale Capital in November of 2021. Today, we are proud to be Cleveland, Ohio's #1 most trusted and reliable cash home buyer, backed by an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. As a family-owned and operated local company with over 30 years of combined experience, we've helped more than 500 homeowners navigate even the most challenging situations all across Northeast Ohio. Cleveland isn't just where we work, it's our home, and we deeply understand the unique challenges Clevelanders face. Our personalized approach ensures your needs come first. We assist with moving expenses and offer flexible closing options, including the ability to stay in your home after closing if needed. Grayscale Capital was founded on a simple yet powerful idea: to reinvent life's most important transaction with a new, radically simple way to sell your home. This simple idea bridges the gap between the buyer, us, and the seller, you, eliminating unnecessary costs, putting more cash in your pocket, and generating positive economic drivers in our local market. Every home we buy creates over 40 employment opportunities for attorneys, contractors, insurance agents, realtors, title agents, local home improvement stores, and many others, helping to feed and support local families. We enjoy seeing our neighborhoods transformed and revitalized through our projects that increase property values and create better housing solutions for the local community. That's the impact that we're proud to make. But we're not just in the business of buying homes. We're committed to being a trustworthy and reliable partner for families in Cleveland and surrounding areas. When you choose to sell your house to us, you get the certainty of a 100% closing rate guarantee. Yes, you heard that right. Few companies can match our track record, experience, and commitment. We believe in a people-first approach, grounded in transparency, fairness, and genuine care. We understand that selling a home can be a challenging time, and we're here to listen, understand your unique needs, and provide a solution that works for you. As a family business deeply rooted in the Cleveland community, we take pride in offering more than just a sale. We offer support, peace of mind, and a helping hand when you need it most. When you choose Grayscale Capital, you're choosing a partner who truly cares and a company that stands by its word. Just ask the families we've helped. Our reviews speak for themselves. We understand life can present unexpected challenges, and selling your house may have not been part of the plan. Whether you're facing overwhelming repair costs, the frustration of waiting months for a buyer, or the need to relocate quickly due to a life change, we're here to help. You might be dealing with troublesome tenants who are behind on rent, or managing a property that's in disrepair. Whatever your situation, we've seen it all. Having purchased hundreds of homes in the Cleveland area, we have the experience and understanding to tackle even the most challenging circumstances. We recognize that every seller situation is unique and that selling your home is a significant decision. That's why we work directly with you to provide a tailored solution that meets your needs. At Grayscale Capital, we specialize in buying homes 100% as is, no matter the condition and no matter the situation. We purchase properties of all types, from a $25,000 single-family home in Glenville to a $3 million apartment building in Parma, or even a $50,000 vacant lot in Strongsville. We buy apartments, condos, single-family homes, multi-family residences like duplexes, triplexes, and quadplexes, townhomes, and vacant land. Our service area spans across Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Stark, and Summit counties. Now let me walk you through exactly what to expect when you choose to work with us. Here's how the process works. Step 1, contact us. Give us a call or text us at 216-677-4810 or fill out our easy-to-use form to get started. Tell us about your house. We want to hear your story and learn about your goals. We take the time to understand your needs and work together as a team to create a tailored solution that works best for you. Whether you're facing foreclosure, dealing with repairs, or simply ready to sell your house fast, we're here to help. Now, step 2, receive your offer. We'll meet you at your property for a walkthrough to assess its value, determine necessary repairs and costs, and answer any questions you might have. After our team completes a property valuation assessment, we'll present you with a fair, no obligation cash offer that aligns with your goals for the property. No pressure, no hidden fees, just a straightforward cash offer that puts you in the driver's seat. Now, step 3, the final step. You choose the closing date. Once you accept our offer and decide to sell your house, you're in control of the timeline. Choose a closing date that works best for you. Whether it's as soon as possible or at a time that's most convenient, we'll handle everything. We work with a reputable local title company to ensure a smooth closing process and cover all of the associated fees. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy getting paid. Selling your home in Cleveland doesn't have to be stressful. You can sell your house in Cleveland, Ohio without a realtor. We are not real estate agents or brokers. We are a professional house buying company. Unlike agents who list houses for sale, we purchase homes directly from homeowners in as-is condition. Our focus is on buying your house, not marketing it. As professional house buyers, we don't rely on bank financing. We use our own cash. This allows us to offer flexible closing timelines, allowing you to stay in your house after closing if needed. We can even assist with relocation costs to make your transition smoother. Plus, there are no inspections, appraisals, closing costs, and no commissions or fees, unlike real estate agents. That means more money in your pocket and a process that works entirely on your terms. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want that? It really is that simple. We handle all of the paperwork, title work, and make sure the entire process is smooth and seamless. And here's my promise to you. There is absolutely no pressure or obligation. You'll never feel like you're at a used car dealership with sleazy salesmen or high-pressure sales tactics. We believe that selling your home should be an enjoyable experience. After all, it's a big decision. You should feel confident and excited about the company you choose to work with. Our goal is to provide you with all of the options and let you decide what's the best solution for your home, family, and situation. Thank you again for trusting Grayscale Capital. I hope this video gives you a sense of who we are. Whether you're ready to take the next step or just have questions, we're here to help. Call, text, or fill out the form, and let's start the conversation today. Thank you for considering Grayscale Capital. We can't wait to work with you.